Hello fellow photographers, Dan here. If you're like me, you've got a ton of different Lightroom presets, and they become pretty important in establishing your look. And one of the questions I get all the time is, how do my Lightroom presets get along with Lightpanel? And they work fine hand in hand together. Let me show you some different ways that you can use your Lightroom presets along with Lightpanel. So here I'm working on the edits on a wedding. I've got a photo that's part of a series that I like open. I'm just going to select the rest of the photos in this series here by shift clicking. And then here inside of Lightpanel, I'm just going to turn on auto tone and auto white balance. So that's correct my tone and my color for me automatically. And now I can use any of my presets inside of Lightroom to apply to my photo as well. So let's say I've got a certain one that I like down here that we've created called Grandma's Lemonade. It's got kind of this cool old vintage look to it. I'm going to use that, but I'm going to use the amount slider to dial in the amount that I want. I want just a little bit of that vintage lemonade look. And then if I want to apply that to the rest of the photos in this series, this is a Lightroom task, something I would simply do in Lightroom. All I do is come over to the side and I just click on the sync button and synchronize those settings. And now all the other photos that I had selected at that same time are going to get that same look applied. You can see them adjust in real time, just like that. So you can mix and match your use of Lightpanel and presets, use them hand in hand together, but there's something even cooler you can do with it, and that is actually learn your way of applying presets by using looks. So looks down here at the bottom are almost like presets on steroids. What they'll do is they'll look at how you've edited your photos in the past, including presets that you've used, and then learns how you adjust them on a photo by photo basis. So I could create a look that included that preset based on the selection that I have in my Lightroom catalog or an entire folder. So to do that, I can just go down here to my looks pane. I'm going to click on the add look option here. I'm going to give it a name. I'm just going to call this my Lightroom preset look. You call it what you want. And I'm going to learn, in this case, from my selected photos, just from those ones that I had picked. And then I'll hit the learn button. And bam, there's that new look that I've created based on that preset. And what I can do is each time I apply a chunk of Lightroom presets, I can add it to that look. Just select the photos you've edited, right click, and say update look. And it will add that new chunk of photos that you've edited with a different preset into that look. And over time, it's going to continue to learn and develop on the ways that you like to use your presets. And you kind of have one master preset you can click on that will apply to your photos and do the same sort of things that you would do with your presets. All right, there you go. That's how you can use Lightroom presets and Lightpanel together. Thanks for watching.